Control clutter. Keep bathroom clutter under control by organizing go-to essentials in this handy, portable storage organizer. New 8 DIY removable compartments keep items separated and organized. This is a great makeup organizer for eyeshadow palettes, makeup brushes, lipstick, blush, lip gloss, blenders, contour kits, eyelash curlers, tweezers, as well as face cream, serums, essential oils, hairspray, hairbrushes, combs. All of your cosmetic or bath needs are always within handy reach. Portable. Feature easy carry round smooth handle to make it simple to transport goods from shelf to cabinet or desktop. Just grab and go. The perfect storage and organizing solution for modern living spaces. Open tops and divided compartments make it easy to see what is inside and quickly grab what you need. Use these convenient storage bins to keep office desk items all in one place. Great for children's crafting items and school supplies too. Perfect for home or commercial workspace. Functional versatile. This versatile storage bin can be used as a storage solution for storing a multitude of household items like cleaning products, medical supplies, cosmetics, toys, lotions, laundry needs, office or school supplies and more. The options are endless. Great for college dorm rooms, apartments, condos, RVs, boat, cabins and campers. Use this multi-purpose basket anywhere you need to add storage and get organized. Ideal for home and professional organizers. Extra large sized. Each measures 14 by 7 by 5.1 high, easy to clean with water and soap. Strong and durable. Meeting all safety standards and providing the utmost best and safest quality product to our customers. Satisfaction guaranteed or full money back. We love our customers. If you are unhappy with our product, simply let us know and we will take care of the rest. We are committed to provide the best customer service. Designed and proudly made in the USA, patent pending. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice. The Caddy is as advertised. Seems pretty sturdy. I use it for my manicure, nail stamping stuff. I like that it doesn't have holes in the bottom, so if something leaks it doesn't come out and ruin whatever. The handle is pretty good size, comfortable for me to carry downstairs to where I do my manis. The Caddy is narrow enough that it fits on top of the above the toilet cabinet, out of the way but handy. I also like the green color.